So I'm busy cutting up Isabella so that I can load her in my bakkie and take her to the scrap metal place. And at some point I was feeling guilty for doing it, but the further I get, the better I feel about it. I mean, just look at that. Looking at the roof, I mean, it is just very, very, very soft. Focus. Everything is done straight through there. I mean, usually the floors and sills, etc. are done, but not way up here. I mean, look at that. It's just rust. Look at the scale. This. That's all gone. Yeah, I don't feel guilty anymore. The oil did a very good job of preserving that channel for the drive shaft and the gearbox. So oil leaks does have an advantage. So believe it or not, but the passenger side actually looks better. I mean, that channel is definitely still structurally intact. And those holes are for ventilation. Yeah, still making the right decision. Fiberglass is structural, right? I'm sure that fixed this beam right up. No. And here's all the structural fiberglass that I found along the way. It was holding everything together. Huh.
But I'm standing outside now and I see this portable rig. There's smoke coming out of it.
Baie interessant. Very interesting. It's definitely getting more and more intense with the breeze. Something in there got lit by the grinder. This is so cool. There's a sponge in there. I think I'm gonna cut it in 3 pieces. Over there, in the middle, no sorry, over there, there, and there. So fender, midsection, fender. So as I'm doing this, I'm trying to save everything that I think might be scarce or difficult to come by. And one of those things I would imagine are these headliner bows. I don't know if the upholstery guys can just make new ones. So I'm going to try to take these out, but they are rusted. I mean, it is just insane. But anyway, I'm going to try to take them out and just store them, treat them, oil them, whatever, to stop the rust, and then just put them away. I think my dogs helped me a little bit to remove this headliner. But yeah, let's finish what they started. Alright, so pretty, significant scaling rust on the ends. In the middle, they're actually quite fine, but obviously it, hey pup, got a lot of moisture in the top of the window frame. I don't know, is that also called a sill? I don't know. Definitely got a lot of moisture there. and rusted quite a bit. That's also why it looks like that in there. You know, there's just pinholes everywhere, even on the roof. Now that gunk underneath Tiffany's roof makes a lot of sense. I wondered what it was, but it's obviously the glue that they use to stick that foam on. That's still there. But again, look at this. This is just like a couple of smears here and there, not even an even coat. No wonder this headliner just completely sagged. There's just absolutely nothing left here. The whole roof was held on by basically that bit of metal over there. Let me see if I can demonstrate the structural integrity. I think I can stop feeling bad for scrapping it.
Who's in charge here?
Law is our master. Law chooses who will go and who will stay.
This is ludicrous.